together.
Act? Did someone say act? I can act. If only I had separate parts, my career would be the arts. I'd be the star of Camelot. You'd be the half that the whole world forgot. If I didn't have you.
I should be so lucky.
If I didn't have you.
Oh, wait, you'd be dead.
Oh, what I could be if there was only me. Oh, what I'd do if I didn't have you. Oh, what I'd do if I didn't have you. Trapped. Trapped.
Stuck here with you for 500 years.
Oh dear, it's learned to count.
If you got me a good lawyer, I would have split 400 years ago.
Now listen here, pal. I didn't come here to be insulted.
Oh? Where do you usually go?
I'd be a fire-breathing lizard.
I'd be one high-flying